Currently, over 3.2 million homes in India are equipped with rooftop solar panels. This figure is expected to cross 5 million by the end of 2026. Although the solar power sector is growing rapidly, the efficiency of solar panels is significantly reduced due to dust, dirt, and pollution. In many areas, the demand for professional care services far exceeds the service infrastructure available. So today, we are going to show you about the solar panel cleaning business, which focuses on that service. We will analyze the machinery required, sales opportunities, operational challenges, mandatory licenses, and investment required to start a professional service center. So watch this video until the end. Keep in mind that technical knowledge is essential for this business, and success depends on factors such as local competition, service pricing, operational efficiency, and the ability to scale the business. This video is made for educational and informational purposes only, so conduct your own market research, understand local regulations, and carefully assess potential risks. Now come on, let's get into the video. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Market problem and opportunity. Today, India has the third largest solar power installation in the world, after China and the United States. Solar panels have already been installed in 3.24 million homes across the country, with a target to reach 10 million households. In this situation, over time, dust, dirt, bird droppings, and environmental pollutants can accumulate on the surface of solar panels, reducing their efficiency. However, in most cities and small towns in India, in many locations, dedicated solar panel cleaning services are still relatively limited. Most people are hesitant to climb onto their roofs and clean them themselves. However, large companies and professional solar power plants require ongoing and professional cleaning services. This is why the solar panel cleaning industry is emerging as a thriving service sector. However, simply exploiting growing demand to make a profit will not lead to success. True success lies in prioritizing safety, delivering excellent service, and building long-term trust with customers. Training for solar cleaning business. If you have no prior experience cleaning solar panels, it may not be a wise decision to jump straight into the business without proper training. Although this field does not require specific government-mandated educational qualifications, possessing knowledge of correct cleaning techniques, safety protocols, and proper panel handling is essential. To start this business, you can get training from skill development institutes, MSME training centers, industrial training institutes, or private training institutes that specialize in installing and maintaining solar power systems. Additionally, many solar EPC companies offer maintenance training to their employees, providing an opportunity to gain hands-on practical experience. If there is no training facility in your area, you can also gain the necessary knowledge by taking trusted online courses, training programs from manufacturing companies, or working with experienced professionals. Where to buy machines and equipment? Once you have gained a clear understanding of the business, the next step is to purchase the right equipment. A key advantage of this business is that you do not need large machinery to get started. Initially, you will need a soft bristle brush that can clean the solar panel surface without damaging it, a telescopic pole that will help you easily reach panels installed at heights. If you plan to undertake large-scale commercial projects, consider a water-fed pole system and a portable water tank. You can find equipment at local dealers, cleaning suppliers, or online platformers like IndiaMart and Trade India. Furthermore, since this job often requires working at heights, safety equipment such as a safety harness, helmet, gloves, and non-slip shoes must be used. It is wise to start by purchasing only the essential equipment. You can gradually upgrade your tools as the business grows. Required investment. Now let's get to the next question that almost all new entrepreneurs ask. How much investment is needed to start this business? The good news is that this is not a huge manufacturing industry, therefore it does not require an initial investment running into crores of rupees. If you start on a small scale, targeting local residential customers, an initial investment of around 2 lakhs would be sufficient. A large portion of this amount will be spent on cleaning equipment, safety gear, transportation, branding, registration, and initial marketing. However, the investment may be high for you to undertake large-scale business projects. Remember, this investment amount varies depending on your location and type, so always start a business according to your financial and operational capabilities. Location selection. Another key advantage of this business is that it does not require a large warehouse or factory to get started. Initially, a small office or storage area is sufficient to safely house cleaning equipment, safety gear, and other essentials. A space ranging from approximately 150 to 500 square feet is considered adequate for the startup phase. If you own a service vehicle, you will also need to arrange for parking space. When it comes to choosing a location, it's best to choose a location that is easily accessible to different parts of the city. Being located near residential areas, industrial parks, or places with a high concentration of solar power installations makes it more convenient to reach customers and provide services. Licenses and registrations. A strong start for any business goes beyond merely purchasing equipment. It relies on operating in compliance with legal regulations. The solar panel cleaning business is no exception. If you want to run the business with a professional approach, the first step is to properly register your business. Depending on the nature of your company, you may also need to obtain GST registration. Additionally, you may be required to obtain a PAN number, current bank account, and trade license as per local regulations. If you increase your workforce in the future, it is also necessary to comply with labor laws and other relevant regulations. Since regulations vary across state and local bodies, it would be prudent to consult a local chartered accountant or business consultant before launching the business. Target customers. Now the crucial question, how do you acquire customers? First, go to your nearest housing association or apartment complex that has solar panels installed and knock on their doors to explain your service. Additionally, local schools, hospitals, hotels, commercial complexes, factories, warehouses, and business buildings are all potential clients who might require this service. So explaining the process to them and telling them that they will clean just one panel for free is a proven strategy. Consider partnering with home solar installers and maintenance companies in your area and utilizing local area networks. Large-scale solar power plants and solar installation firms are also potential clients, as many companies rely on external service providers for post-installation maintenance. Initially focusing on a specific customer segment will make it relatively easier to establish your brand and secure consistent work. So friends, for those looking to start a service-oriented business with low to moderate investment, the solar panel cleaning business is an excellent choice. But success depends on the quality of your work, building customer trust, following safety protocols, and providing excellent service. So begin with proper training and start small. Then expand as you gain experience to build a strong reputation. And this video is for educational purposes only, so please conduct your own market research before starting any business. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.